Back with another question. Hey everybody, and today we are going to do tree sum. In this, we have given an array and we have to return the triplets whose sum is equal to 0. So we can do this easily with 3 loops, iterating over the array 3 times and finding all the possibilities. But how can we do it efficiently? So let's see. For example, we have this array. So the white array is sorted. So the approach we are going to discuss is called the two-pointer approach. What we basically do is we take 2 pointers, we fix one value and then we check the possibilities of other two values. So for example, so if we fix the value -4, then from the array from -1 to 2, we have to check if there are any values whose sum is 4, so that the sum of 4 plus -4 will become 0 and we get our triplet. So for example, for this values -4 plus -1 plus 2, we got the sum -3, that is less than 0. So we didn't get our triplet. So the value -3 is less than 0. So we have to increase the value. In an sorted array, if we want to increase the value, we will go in its right direction. So we can move only at left pointer. That is the orange one. As our blue pointer that is at -4 is the fixed pointer. So we will move this pointer. Now again the sum is -3 and it is less. So we will again move this pointer. Now the sum is -2. It is again less. So we will again move this pointer. And now again the sum is -1. But here our two moving pointers can't move forward because they are intersecting each other. So we will shift the value of our fixed pointer. So now we will ignore the value -4 and we will see our array from -1 to 2 and we will move forward. So for these values we got the sum 0. So we got our first triplet, that is -1, -1 and 2. So now if we move the left pointer, if it will increase the value, and if we move the right pointer it will decrease the value. So if we move either pointer it cannot give us value 0. But if we move them together then there is a chance that it can give the value 0. So in this case we will move both the pointers. So we move both the pointers and again we got the value 0. So here's our second triplet -1, 0 and 1. Now our pointers are again intersecting. So we will again shift the value of fixed pointer. Here the sum is 1, that is greater than 0. So we will move our right pointer. As we moved our right pointer, we got the sum is equal to 0. For implementing this, we need to use set so that we don't get duplicate values. So now as we have proper idea that how is our implementation working, so let's write the code. So this is our function 3sum and I am inputting the array arr. Firstly, I have sorted the array. Then we are taking our final vector, that is answer. Then we have taken a set of vectors so that we don't get duplicate values. Then n is equal to the size of the array. Then iterating the loop from 0 to n minus 2, because if the size of the array is less than 3, then the answer isn't possible. So for the fixed value, we have written the variable val. So our fixed value is arr 0. Then our left pointer is I plus 1 and our right pointer is n minus 1. Then we are checking until they are intersecting. We are taking the sum of three values. If the sum is 0, then we are adding our triplet to set. That it will only add the value arrl and arr in the set. After adding that, it will increase the value of l and decrease the value of r. I have written it in this way so that it can become slightly compact. But you can always write it then if sum was not 0 and it is less than 0, then we will move the left pointer, else we will move the right pointer. And finally, after the whole loop, we will push all the values from our set to the answer and we will return our answer vector. And here's how we can implement this easily. So I hope this is clear and this was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.